Hello everyone, today we will learn about Git. Very important for you as DevOps or system administration, you have to understand because sometimes they see I push the code, I comment the code, is this working directory or staging area or local repo, or I push already, you have to pull the update. Any command they talking about Git, you have to understand. You give some attention, you understand. I don't ask you to you write the code and you push or you get, at least you understand what they're talking about. This is very important because don't tell me you're working directory and working company few months and the server you are DevOps or system administration. Then the DevOps call you Tariq. I already comment or push the code and you don't know what they talking about. This is not best practice. So you have the basic knowledge about Git. Okay, I will acting like I have two developer. One he work from Windows machine. Here the Windows machine. I have remote developer maybe from India. Layla example, she work in also developing the code, but she work remotely. So I don't give her the password for my GitHub. So I will give her only ask her to give me the SSH key. I will let her authorize with SSH key only without password. This is also for security. So today we learn about Git, the most important command and how they push and they get the update. So I put for you all the list. Okay, this is most important command. How to set up your Git. Okay, first how here the photo is basic understanding. They have three staging in your machine, Windows or Linux. This all run in your local machine. You have three staging: working directory, staging area, local repo. Then this one is the remote or central server. Can be GitHub, can be Gitbox, or can be GitLab. Okay, today we're using GitHub because this community is free. We already registered in the last video. So I have question. They ask me why we have working directory, three stage, and local. This is the system of Git. Is design or architecture like that. So we can't do anything. Same like Ansible. I have question before. Why we using inventory file? Why we don't use like a C host Linux file? This is same concept. Ansible design like that, so we have to follow the software design. So Git system they design like that, so to tracking every update. So they design for us. We have three stage in your machine, then you have one stage on the remote central. Okay, so we are learning about the stage. You have working directory. To create the working directory in your in your folder or directory in Windows or Linux, you have to just run Git in it. He will design or initiate for your working directory. Then to push, you have to use git add to push from working directory to staging area. Then from staging area to local, you have to run git command -m the message. You ask me how I can from working directory direct to local repo? No, because the design is like that, one follow one. Okay, here git status, this you show you whatever your staging are. Git clone, you clone from remote server. Git add, moving from working directory to staging area. Remove this strange name, but actually remove from staging area back to working directory. And comment to local repo. Okay, this is the most important stage. Okay, but before we comment, we cannot, because we have to configuration the Linux or Windows. Now I configured my Windows. I put here configuration, because when you configuration, you have to put what's the username. Okay, the first things first. For example, I run this command. I say git status. They show me is nothing because they don't know what am I. I have to design first as working directory. Let me get a screenshot. First, I need to design working directory. How to design working directory? I have to run git init. Okay. So first I will make directory. Example uni payments. Please, when you use directory, don't use space. Okay, especially when you work Linux and Unix and others, because we'll make a lot of problem. Don't make another space. If you want to make your uni payment like that, or payment, don't make any space. Okay, or hyphen or underscore. I make underscore. So I go inside cd uni. Even I run git status, show me which stage. They show me nothing because they don't know what's that. So I have to initiate this as working directory. How to initiate? I run git init. So I see git init. Now they will initiate for me as this is my repo. The first repo is working directory. Okay, anything is start by repo. Okay, and by default name they will give you master. This is the master call repo. Okay, you can make a lot of other names, but by default they will take master. So I see git status. They see you are in working directory. Is the branch is called master. No comment is nothing to comment. Okay, this is show you are in your working directory. For example, I am the developer. I command this code. This code, if I run this code, this we run before, is a payment page, can for uni, can for anything. So I have two method payment. Later we add. We have Visa and MasterCard, and submit. You submit to payment. It's basic HTML. So I put this code. I copy to my directory. Directory is uni payment. I copy here. It's done. If I see git status, now they see me untrack file, index HTML. We have one file is untrack. Remember, I want you just take attention. If you see untrack, remember you are in working directory. Okay, just keep it in your mind. If you see anything in untrack, is your working directory. If you see change to comment, you are staging area. Nothing to comment, you are local repo. It's easy, but if you remember the first letters, you're in charge. Where are you? Untrack file, you are in working directory. They give you the command to add. You see just git add and the file name. Okay, so if I see git add the file name or $sign out dot, same things, they will add to staging area. If I see git status, now you see change to comment. Okay, before is untrack file. So I will just give you attention. If you see untrack file, you are in working directory. Change to comment, you are in staging area. If you want a comment to local repo, they have to ask you to configuration. First, you have to configuration first. Go here, you see git config global username and email. Git config global user email. What's the user email? User email. One user. Oops. Dot. Without. Sorry, without. They see I put already email. Okay, if I put anything else, I can put. For example, I run the same things. Git. Excuse me. Git config dash global user email. For example, I put Tariq at Tariq.local fake email. If I run again, what's the email? They will be local. Okay, this when you comment to local repo, they understand who is the username and who's your ID. This is the most important. Your configuration too, username and user email. Okay, for me, I will put user email as Tariq Udemy at gmail.com. Okay, then the other one is the username. I put as Tariq Tech02. You change, you same things, you run the same. Git config dash global user name. You put anything, example blah blah. They will save it for you. Okay, if I say again, what's the email? They see blah blah. So I change it to my user email Tariq Tech 02. Okay, now I run again. So you have to configure the two things before you comment, otherwise they will give you error. Okay, now we back our staging. Now I am in staging area. If I say git status, they say change to comment, and also they give you the command to remove from staging area back to working directory. If you want remove, example git remove, you follow here. This is the command. Git remove cache it and the file name index. Now I say git status will give me untrack. Okay, so when you see the first command, you know which stage you are. First stage is working directory. If I see git add star out dot, same. Now git status. Now you see change to comment. You are staging area. Now I move from staging area to local repo. So I say git comment and must add the message because you know what you add. For example, updates the payments. When we in GitHub, we understand why is this very important. I see git updated. Click enter. Now they see git status. They see nothing to comment. If you see nothing to comment, you are in local repo. The next video we learn how to push from Windows or Linux from password and SSH key. Okay, this is the most important. How to set up. You just remember status, add, remove to working directory. I'll get message with the message. I fix JavaScript, for example, moving from staging area to local repo. Here git branch, you see what branch you have. For example, git branch. They see we have only master branch. You have even you have something you have to switch. How to switch? Here to switch. Example, checkout is switch from any example. I have git payment, switch to payment. You switch checkout means switch from example. I have two. I switch from master to another. So I see just checkout. If I want delete any branch, I just click branch D and the branch name. This is a configuration, and this is how to push and pull. We will learn next video, and this is how you see your remote server. If I see now git remote v, they show me I have nothing because I have never linked anything to GitHub. We have GitHub is empty. We link about the GitHub from here. Okay, keep up and see you next video.